Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
Okay guys, so ito ang nakuha ko na paglagyan natin sa ating mga aanihin. So ang unang puntahan natin ay doon sa kabilang garden guys, sa likod. Alright guys, so nandito na tayo ngayon sa likod ng bahay namin. Dito ako nagtanim last year ng mga maraming gulay. Pero this year, kunti lang ang naitanim ko at saka hindi ko pa nalagaan ang aking mga tanim na gulay. So, ang nakikita ko ngayon ay ang aking mga mga zinnias. They are dried already. And our goats and sheep, they are saying hi. Our goats and sheep, they are saying hi. Kasi guys, every time na pumupunta ko dito, I gave them something. Kaya yan, nasanay na sila. So, ilang mga kamatis. Nakikita nyo naman siguro na may mga red-red. Kung may mga red-red na yan, yan na yung mga tomatoes guys. Yan ang ating i-harvest. Hindi niya makikita siguro, no? Tapos yung ating zucchini, medyo late ko na kasi na ano guys, na itanim at saka hindi pa gaanong nadidiligan at saka nalilinisan. So ngayon ay ano siya guys, may bunga kaso nga lang hindi siya lumalaki ng maganda. Kasi yun nga, hindi siya nalilinisan, wala siyang airflow. OMG, may nakita kong mga bunga kaso nga lang parang iba yung shape niya. Oh, ang ating mga okra, parang as in na matanda na, umagulang na sila. So, let's go check kung kumusta na ang ating mga okra. Sayang, I really missed and I love okra so much. Hi! Hello! Ang lalaki ng mga tiyan nyo, gutom pa kayo? Tapos nguya pa ng nguya, itong si Alpina. Okay guys, so let's start. As you can see, this tomatoes, marami siyang bunga. Ayan, everywhere. Everywhere. Ayun. So, lahat ito kukunin natin. Yes! I'm not sure if I'm going to take the green one too. And I'll let them dry in our house. What do you think guys? Please comment down below. Let me know what I'm going to do with this one. Thank you so much. Ay, nakuha ko mga iba na ano na green, but it's okay maybe. Ito marami as in na ano red sila. Di ako kumuha ng ano guys, ng cutter. Ayan. As ina, sayang no? Hindi ko kasi naalagaan dito. Eto, mahihinog pa yan. Nakarating hanggang dito. Maganda sana ito guys kung may trellis siya. Ito. Kaso nga lang hindi pa hinog. Here. Medyo hinog na yan siya. So, kunin natin. Ay, nabali ko siya guys. This time guys, this summer, wala talaga akong nakitang mga bees. Normally, maraming bees kasi nga, 'di ba, may mga bees kami dati. Kaso nga lang, nung winter, parang namatay sila, guys. Kaya, nawala yung mga bees namin. So, this time, lahat yung mga zucchinis ko, ganun. So, yung mga zucchinis ko, ganun ang bunga. Ganun lang. Sayang, no? So, let's go to the other side, guys. Doong banda. Kasi may mga tanim kasi akong tomatoes doon na kulay peach na maliliit. So, ito yung mga sinasabi ko guys na tomatoes. Dito ako din nagtanim ng tomatoes last year. Kaya meron kami nitong mga ito. Kaso nga lang, Humangin siya ng humangin, kaya natumba na sila, guys. So, ayan. Sayang, no? Kasi hindi ko sila naalagaan. Ayan. Ayun ang mga malalaki. Doon pa. Hanggang doon pa, guys. So, ito yung mga na-harvest ko, guys. May mga naiwan pa kasi marami pang mga greens, guys. Kaya, iniwan ko na lang. Tapos, itong mga zucchini natin, ganito sila, guys, kasi, alam nyo ba, hindi sila na-pollinate. Kaya, ganyan. Marami pala tayong bunga ng persimmon. They started to ripen. Ayun. So, ayan guys, yung mga ganitong kulay, parang peach na kulay, or blush, or how they call that color, please tell me. Ayun ang mga nakuha ko doon. Alright, so punta naman tayo sa kabilang garden, sa front garden, guys. So, nandito naman tayo ngayon sa aking front garden. I am very happy talaga, guys. Zinnia is one of my favorite, my most favorite, guys, ay zinnia flowers, because this kind of flower, or this plant is very sturdy. And can you see? May mga na-dry na. Can you see that? Na-dry na siya. Started drying. Or halfway dry. Tapos, ito yung mga as in na in bloom. And, meron pa mga palabas pa lang, guys. So, yan. As in na non-stop, guys. Isang plant lang yan. As in na non-stop yung pagbulaklak niya, guys. So, I love zinnia. That's the reason why I love it. Aside from the flower is really beautiful. And as in a very forgiving or very satisfying siya, guys. Ewan ko kung anong nangyari dito. I think our dog, or I don't know. Kasi as in you can really see na non-stop yung pag-ano niya, guys. Yung pamumulaklak at paglaki. Basta kapag medyo mainit pa, ayun, as in non-stop yan sila. Mamamatay na lang yan sila, guys, when frost comes. So, ayun. And also, they have different colors. That's why I love it, guys, because it gives me joy into my heart every time I see these beautiful flowers that I planted. I started these zinnias from seeds, guys. And then, yun. Nung medyo lumalaki na sila, I transplanted them to different places. And yeah, I so love zinnias. I'm going to cut also some of the moss and yung mga magulang na para yun ang itanim natin next spring. Alright, so ito guys, yung maliit na garden ko dito. Malaki itong space niya, kaso nga lang maliit lang yung ginawa ko, or maliit lang yung itinanim, or konti lang yung itinanim ko, guys, kaya yan. And I also love this marigold, guys, kasi as in ang ganda. Ang dami niyang bulaklak at saka ang dami niyang ang dami niyang bulaklak and so beautiful. Yeah, so here I planted there as well, dalawa din doon. Okay, so our goal today is to harvest, guys. So ito yung chilies ko. Hindi ako nag-ulam ng chilies, dahon ng chili this year. Hindi pa, guys. May nakita pala akong uod. As in, guys, na yeah, I'm a gardener. And yeah, I'm a gardener and I love gardening, guys. But I'm afraid of uod. I don't know why. Nung bata ako, nilalaro ko lang. But now, ewan ko ba, parang very soft kasi, guys, na ewan ko. Oh, guys, very soft kasi na, ewan ko, as in na ano na talaga ako, guys. Ayaw ko talaga ng uod. As in, super. Pero nung bata ako, wala naman akong katakot-takot sa uod. But, ngayon na matanda na ako, ewan ko ba kung bakit. Okay, so I have a lot of Italian peppers. These are my Italian peppers, guys. May 1, 2, 3, 4. Apat lang ako natanim na Italian peppers. But, marami siyang bunga. Red na siya. Normally, green ito. But, I let it become red. Pero, okay lang. Ayan. Marami siyang bunga, guys. Ayan. May ano din, oh. May snail. Ayan. Here. Dito din. Can you see that? Basta guys, pag ano, medyo mainit pa or until October, basta walang frost. As in you can continue harvesting yung mga summer na mga tanim. Yeah. And I love it. Ooh, wow, look at that. So, ayan guys, ito ang na-harvest natin. As in, ang dami, diba? Very nice and beautiful. Ito naman guys, ang ating basil. As in, ang bango niya guys. So, if you want that your basil will continue producing, you have to remove the flowers. Yeah. Para sa ganon, they will continue giving a lot of leaves, guys. Ayan. As in, super bango. I love. Kukuha ko ng bay leaves para ilagay natin sa salsa na gagawin natin, guys. Yeah. Ang bango, but I need scissors. As in, ang bango-bango. Super. Tapos, ang ganda ng dahon. Can you see? Ang ganda ng dahon niya, guys. Can you see? As in, now, perfect. Organic ito lahat, guys. Ang gaganda ng mga dahon. Yung dahon naman kasi talaga ang kailangan natin. So mga friends, ito na lahat ang ating na-harvest na gulay. Na iba't ibang gulay guys. Dito sa ating munting hardin. Okay friends, so ito yung mga naani ko and I am so grateful. Alright guys, so this is our pizza sauce. As in, I tasted it and it is so delicious. Yung green na yan guys ay yung mga basil. Sorry. Sorry guys kasi napunta sa inyo yung steam ng niluluto ko. So, what I'm going to do is, kasi cook na siya guys, what I'm going to do is I will use my immersion blender to blend it. So, let's do it. This is immersion blender. Kasi you can immerse this guys into the liquid. So let's turn it off. I wish you could smell this guys. As in, so delicious. Oh.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.
Alright guys, so my family requested panini. Panini is, the base niya guys is bread. So I have this bread here. I cut into half. And then we are going to put the sauce And then put cold meats like cold cuts or cold meats. Delis, yun ang lagay natin. And then on top of it is cheese. So, yun ang gagawin natin for their dinner. And also, we are going to put the pizza sauce. And let's see kung masarap siya, guys, on the bread. Oopsie. Oops, I literally can eat this without nothing. As in, just lang, guys. Gusto. Just enough, OMG. Wala na kasi kaming bread, guys. Maybe it's not enough for them. Alright. Yummy. Delicious, guys. And Abby is waiting too. Huh? So we have 4 cheese here. And our cold cuts here. Each bread, let's put 2 slices of this. Maybe I will try just a bite. Mamaya, and let's see how it goes. I'm so excited. Parang maubos natin. Hi, Abby. Want to try this? Ganyan, guys. Yung 4 cheese. And let's put on top. Oh, wow. Naghuhulugan kasi sila, guys. Sayang. Ano? Dapat doon lang talaga on top. Para ma-melt doon on the bread. Ooh, wow. Yum. Oh, parang maubos din ang isang bag. And this one is 180 grams. Oh, ito lang yung natira, guys. Yan lang ang natira na cheese natin. Hi, Abby. Are you waiting for the food? Huh? Guapa? Guapa, Abby? Hi. Hi, hi, hi. Hi. See? Guapa? Guapa, Abby, huh? Ayan na. It looks so delicious. And let's see if they like it. This is for my husband. Cariño, ya está. For Lakota and for Hailey. Thanks. One for you. Oops. And one for your sister. Take this too. Let's see kung ano ang sasabihin nila, guys. Papi? Hailey, can you turn on the light, please? Tabo, Daddy.
먹어.
Delicious.
먹어.
So, ito naman yung rest ng salsa, guys. So, ginamit ko para sa spaghetti and it was really, really delicious.